For basic RC flying, you can use, without a worry, standard Fly Sky transmitter module from Turnigy T9x radio. This is standard module from Turnigy T9x radio. This module is not perfect. I really recommend later change this module for FirstSky in telemetry mode, or for Jetty module transmitter, or for any fast Futaba fast module DSMX, and just some next more high level transmitter module. But for basic flying with some easy start, etc., you can use this without a worry. This module, many modelers change module in T9x, and this module stay on table or somewhere in RC modelers parts. So you can buy it often from modelers, or it could be a gift for you if you are RC beginner. So if you have this module will be without antenna, because antenna in Turnigy T9x, wire for antenna is going through this hole inside a body of radio. So you will have this box with module inside. This box you can put easy in backside of Turnigy 9XR. Click and that's all. But we want to use internal antenna in arm of 9XR, and this movie will be how to do. How connect this antenna with this connector with this module. We will remove this connector from cable and we will solder it in this module, and that's all. It works. I make it a few times. So first step, we must unscrew 4 screws for releasing this center panel between gimbals. So this screw, this screw, this screw, and under these wires is screw number 4. Yes, so 4 screws, and you will remove carefully, of course, this center panel. You can release it, and from back side of this front panel you will see under this connector 2 small screws with part which fix antenna connector on this place. So after carefully releasing this center panel, we will from back side of this panel we will release and remove 2 small screws. We will release this part, and we will release or remove antenna connector with antenna, because this is one part. We will remove this antenna from this panel. Antenna, place antenna beside the radio, and put center panel really carefully about wires on the right place. Put center panel back on right place, and put 4 screws back on right holes and tight it. Yes, this will be first part. So let's go. So if we have finished this, put radio beside, and now we will make something with this, with antenna. We must remove the connector, so remove this hot shrink and cut antenna wire beside a connector, really beside. Each millimeter is okay, you know, so near a connector how you can cut the wire. Next step, on this box from Turnigy T9x, open it, remove the content of this box, this desk or PCB with transmitter module, go with this outside, and we will cut this corner of this box for hole. We will make a hole for this antenna. So make hole with enough size for this diameter. Same hole we will make on back part of T9xR. Yes. Here will be hole, and inside must be hole too. It will be this corner. Yes. Maybe you say, oh, why you don't use this hole? Because we need each millimeter of antenna for putting this antenna back to transmitter arm or holder. Yes, so maybe this antenna will not be exactly on same place like before this mode. If your antenna will be 2 or 4 or 5 millimeters shorter, you must just remove these small pieces of plastic. Same on other half of radio case, and so it means antenna will be not here but maybe here. This is nothing tragical, it's really not a problem, and you can fix it easy, but really only easy, this antenna maybe with tape or some hot glue in arm of radio. But I don't recommend it, because if you will fix it in a radio case, you will have big problems if you will want to open radio later again. Yes. So my recommendation is put antenna in the radio arm holder without any glue, etc. But it is a possibility. So again, summary: shorter, cut antenna wire nearest a connector how you can. Remove content of this box case. Make a hole here and here. Yes, and later we will continue. So here is the result. Here is hole. Yeah. And here is hole too in corner. Yes. Hole for our antenna for the module. Now we will solder our antenna to transmitter module. Actually, if you have not any experiences with soldering, maybe definitely will be better if you ask someone with more experiences for this part of this module, because without experiences you can easily destroy or damage transmitter module or and antenna. So really this is not good good idea teaching or learning soldering on this this part. Yes. So if you are without experiences about soldering, ask someone with more experiences. So I will show you a result of this. This is result. Inner wire from antenna is going on a middle or center soldering point. Here are 3 soldering points. So center wire, inner wire is going on center soldering point, and out wire from antenna, outer wire is going on the soldering point, just outer soldering point. And now we will put this wire to case, and it must works without any force. And same when I put the case to the case, it must works without any force. So, and now we will try put and fix this antenna to radio holder. Actually, this is not any nice job. It's really not job for each day, but you don't make it each day, every day. Yes, you will make it one time and it will be on this place until you will change this module for other. Yes, so let's go, we will try it. So here is a result. Of course, you must be very careful when you put halves of radio together. You must be very careful about pinched wire by plastic parts. This module, of course, is not easy changeable. You can remove it, but you must open the radio. But it's not easy changeable, and this module could be here on this place until you change this module for better module. Sky, Feist, Jetty, etc., etc. What is really necessary, absolutely necessary, is carefully range test. Really be carefully and make perfect range test with this radio if it's all okay. So, thanks for your watching. Sorry for my English actually, and see you later.